Hi everybody. Uh, Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the mathematical question about compound loan and how you do that. So this question that I have posted here, like consider a loan of $12,500 at a fixed APR of 12% for 30 years. It has like it's asking three questions, three sub questions actually. The A is saying calculate the monthly payment, B determine the total amount paid over the term of the loan, and C of the amount paid what percentage is paid towards the principal and what percentage is paid for interest. So in C section you have actually two more questions inside. So let's see how we calculate this question and how we find out our compound interest and monthly payment for this question. So first we're gonna solve the A part of this question, which is asking about monthly payment, and we have a formula for this. You can see here the formula, like what PMT means. PMT means regular payment amount, P means principal loan, A or P is your interest rate, N is the number of payments, and Y is annual or time, year. So this is the formula. First we're gonna solve the formula step by step, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So according to the formula here, first we're gonna solve this part, P in the bracket APR by number. So APR, as I said before, it means it's the interest rate of your loan, and principal is principal. So your principal loan is 1,200, 2,500. So what's gonna be our interest rate? It was 12, so I changed it to 0.12, and we're gonna divide this by 12. 12 means 12 months, because each year has 12 months, so we need to divide this to get the solution. On the right hand side you can see my calculation, that how we did calculation, so you can see how you solve the question in the calculator. So as you can see, once we divide the interest rate 0.12 by 12 months, we get 0.01. So once we multiply that by principal 12,500, the answer gonna be 125. So here one part of the our formula is done. So let's go to resolve the second part of our formula. So you can see now in formula you understand it much better what I meant. So we solved the upper part of this formula, and now let's go and solve the lower part, which is 1 minus 1 plus interest rate by number of months or year. So let's do, and I show you how I did that. So again we are stuck on our A part. As I said, we're gonna solve this. So now you see the formula, same thing, A minus and A plus stays according to formula. The only thing I have added the interest rate and also the monthly, the N changed to monthly, and on the side you will see the 12 multiplied by 30. So 12 means like in 1 year we have 12 months, 30 means 30 years. So this is the next stage. In the next stage what we're gonna do, we will multiply 30 by 12, and you will see the result. What is our result for this one? You can see my calculation also. So if you multiply 12 by 30, the answer is 360 months. Okay, so according to formula, let's see how I did this. Like the interest rate 0.12 is divided by 12 months, and you can see when I also multiply the months by year, it's 360. So once I divided 0.12 interest rate by 12 months plus 1, the answer is 1.01, and you will see the 360 months. Now what we're going to do, we're going to multiply 1.01 360 times. So it is very hard when you do with pen stuff. So what we gonna do, we take a scientific calculator for this. On right hand side you can see all the steps that I have done with the calculator. So in this stage you can see the scientific calculator that I did the multiplication of 1.01 by 360 months, and the answer is the answer you got is 35.9496413276. We're going to take the numbers to this point, and you can see what I did minus, because in the formula you will see 1 minus, so I did 1 minus the 35 is now 34. So you can see here all the multiplication that I did, and you will see the answer. So after all the multiplication of this equation for the A part, our monthly payment is $128.58 that we pay for this loan. Yeah, you can see the multiplication that I did on the right hand side, and the answer that we got, it is $128.58. And now let's go and see for the B part what we do for the B part. The B part is asking determine the total amount paid or the term of the loan. So it's a simple one, it's not too much headache. What we do, we take our monthly payment $128.58 and we just multiply by 360 months, and the total amount is $46,288.80. So this is simple, and this is the total amount that we gonna pay for 30 years. And now let's jump to the C part. Actually, C part, pay attention, it has two questions inside. One, it says what percentage is paid towards the principal, and the second part is what percentage is paid for the interest. So first go and check and see how I did for the what percentage is paid towards the principal. So we take the principal, divide by the total that we got on the B part, we multiply by 100, and the answer is 27.0. So we have taken out the percentage towards the principal, so it's going to be 27.0% paid towards the principal. Excuse me. For the second part, it says what percentage is paid for the interest. For this, what we're gonna do, we will take the total amount which we solved in B part, like 46,288.80. We're gonna minus by principal. So anything that we get, it's like the total 33,788.8. We're gonna divide that by the total amount that we paid, like 46,288.80. We divide that, multiply by 100. The answer is 73.0. So this is the answer for the C part. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much.